This is the F64 Ferrasanto from Italy. It is an on-demand grinder with a 64 mm burr size. The bigger the burr size, the faster your coffee grinder grinds the coffee. Coffee bean goes in here. This is the hopper, and it stores roughly about 1 to 1.5 kilo worth of coffee beans. This is the lever that opens and closes. If you open, the coffee bean goes into your burr. You can close it if you want to. This is the plate that allows you to adjust the grind size. There's a small metal piece here that makes it easier for you to adjust the grind size. Pushing it right or left adjusts the grind size. Next up, you have 3 buttons here. One shot, manual, and 2 shot. To use this machine, the first thing you need to do is choose which shot you like to have, single or double. In this case, I'm going to use a double shot portafilter. And I will select 2 shots. There's a button here, so I'll need to just place it inside. Press the button, and it grinds the coffee for me. Speed-wise, this machine grinds the coffee for a double shot, 14 grams coffee. It takes about 4 seconds to grind the coffee for you. If you press 1, and if you like to grind for 1 shot, it takes roughly about 2 to 2.2 seconds for a 7 grams 1 shot espresso. Or you can choose to grind manually. It's totally up to you. The on-off button is on the right, and there's 2 icons here on the top of your LCD screen. The left is the temperature, the right is the humidity of the air. The humidity of the air, you can't really do anything much about it. Depends which country you're at. The temperature shows you the temperature inside the machine. As you know, the higher the temperature or high temperature affects the taste of your espresso. Therefore, you like to have a low temperature and not too high. When you grind the coffee, the fan behind automatically turns on. I can feel the air, but I don't think I can show it to you. So there's actually a fan here blowing currently, trying to cool down the machine. Once it cools down sufficiently, the fan will turn off. This will allow you to grind, use your grinder on a longer time frame without worrying about your grinder heating up.
Goodbye, and please subscribe. Goodbye, and please subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye.